Okay, Jamie, I'm making a quick video here of how to create these assignments. I have an old Canvas course here that I'm going to do this in. You'll have to do this in each section. There are 4 different sections, so you'll have to do this 4 times. Once you do it once, you'll see it's not that hard. So you just have to create an assignment in each section. So let me just show you how to do that. So yeah, you'll start at the home screen, I guess, and then you can go down to assignments here and then add assignment and then give it a name, and use the name that's at the top of the page. I always put a header on these things, so I think the first one is time value handout number 1. All right, so just call it whatever's on the top of the page, and then you really don't need anything in here, no description or anything. And then for points, every homework's going to be 10 points. So no matter what it is, make it 10 points, right? So 10 points, always make it 10 points. Okay, and then the assignment group, I don't have it here in this one. I've got in all of our 4 sections, there is an assignment group called homework. So you would pick that from this list here. Okay, this one happens to be quizzes, but on your drop-down menu in our 302 section, I've got one made for homework. So the assignment group will be homework, right? And then the submission type is going to be on paper. Okay. And then you just have to give it a due date. It really doesn't matter so much about the due date. I mean, try to guess as close as you can as to when they turn this thing in. I think these were mostly turned in last Wednesday, let's say. So I'll just put a due date there of August 23rd. And this actually, I think, is a year behind. Well, no, it's 23rd there. That's fine. So August 23rd, you can leave this blank. That's fine. And then just say save and publish. Okay. And so you can see here it's assigned to everyone, due August 23rd. It's turned in on paper. It's worth 10 points. That's fine. Now when you go to the grade book, once it's published, you go to the grade book, and somewhere in here, I've obviously got a lot of assignments in here, but somewhere in here would be that one. There it is right there, time value handout number 1, and you can put those in here like that. Okay, and then one other thing you can do is you can go to another course. So let's say you did that for one section. Well, then you can go to the next section, and I'm just going to pick this one just for, this is an old class too. You can go to the next section, and you can go over here to import existing content. And then copy a Canvas course, and I could select that course that I just copied from, that I just made the assignment in, which was this one, I'm pretty sure, and say select specific content, import, and then go over here and select content, and I want to copy an assignment. And I must have picked the wrong course because I don't think it's there. Maybe it's in the quizzes here. Let's see. I don't see it, but I must have picked the wrong course. But I guess I'm just trying to show you here that you can copy between courses there once you get it done. Actually, for these, though, it's probably easier just to go into each class and add another assignment. By the time we go through all the copy steps for these simple ones, it's pretty easy. So again, I'll just show you here. You would go to assignments, add an assignment. Remember, give it the name that's in the top of the page. This is number 1, I think. And then give it 10 points. And be sure you put it in the homework. Again, I don't have homework here. I could put it in quizzes, but you'll have homework as one of the assignment groups, and tell it on paper. All right, and once you have that, that's fine. Just pick a due date that's reasonably close to when it was turned in, and click save and publish. All right, once you click save and publish, it will be there. And Then it'll be in the grade book and you could put grades. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, let me know. I want to mention too that Canvas is universities all over the country use Canvas. And so if you have a question about things in Canvas, you can always search Canvas. How do I add an assignment? And, you'll come up with all sorts of things that will, and, so if you're working in Canvas, you're not sure how to do something and you need to know pretty fast, tens of thousands of people use Canvas, and there's all kinds of stuff out there that will help you figure out how to do things in Canvas. Okay. All right. So I hope that's enough to get you going. If you still have questions, let me know. I'll be checking my email today. So just let me know if that's not enough, and I'll see you next week.